Hey guys, this is Scott Cadell out here in Lone Jack. We've got 28 King Pier 2s underneath this house all the way around. We're now encasing them in concrete. Scott, tell the world what's going on, why we're here.
When I bought this house, it had a foundation problem in one corner of it, and I hired a company to come out to pier the house. There were two major cracks in the house when I first got it, and when they came out, they completely destroyed the basement. And I dug up the basement, and I hired King Piers to come out. They leveled the house. And
how many inches did we have to raise it, do you remember?
4 inches from one end to the other.
Pretty good. I don't think there's anybody in the United States that could do that and say it before they do it. We do it every day, but go ahead.
They came out, they leveled the house. They're in the process of pouring concrete around the piers right now. We've got 31 piers under the house, and everything's level and square.
All right, there you go, folks. You heard it from the man, the homeowner. Don't be foolish and not get a bid from us at least. KingPiers.com. You can go to my website, request a bid that way, or you can just call me, 816-521-8915. King Piers has the finest crew in Kansas City, if not the United States. I tell you, I've been in the construction industry forever, and these guys have been so loyal and so hardworking. Got this down to an art. 816-521-8915. Thank you.